how to order from Alibaba. So if you want to order from Alibaba, then what you need to do is first you need to make sure that you have a stable internet connection. After that, you need to install Alibaba application. Once you do that, you need to open or launch the application. After that, you need to make sure that you've signed into your account. Now you need to scroll down and you'll be able to find all of the products right here. So go and select the product that you would like to order. You can also search for the product if you want by tapping on the search bar, which will be on the top of your screen. Tap on it and then you can search. After searching, you'll find some products right here. Go and select the product that you would like to buy. Once you've selected your product, you need to make sure that your region is available for delivery. Now you need to go with start order, which will be on the bottom right, or you can also go and chat with the manufacturer. Now once you've selected start order, you need to go and select your shoe size, then shoe color. And once you do that, you need to go with start order again, which will be on the bottom. After that, you need to enter your shipping address and then enter your payment method. You can go with any payment method that you're comfortable with, like a Visa card, PayPal, or Pay Later, Google Pay, or Afterpay, or you can also go with your wire transfer or online banking. After that, go with add address if you've not added, and then place an order. That's how you can order from Alibaba. And if you found this video helpful, hit the subscribe button, and thanks for watching.